On this episode of YaEat, we'll be making air-fried chicken wings. Don't go anywhere, we got 4 delicious recipes just in time for the Super Bowl. Hello everyone, and welcome to the 24th episode of YaEat. As usual, I'm super excited to have you here, and I'm really excited about today's recipe. Why? Well, I did get an air fryer during the Christmas holidays, and I love this piece of equipment. And if you like, you can actually get one on our website. Just go to yaeat.tv/products, and you get the same air fryer that we'll be using today. It's an Oster air fryer. So I heard a lot of good things about air fryers, but I was a little bit behind on it, and I did cut back a lot on fried foods over the years, so I was like, well, let me see how this works out. When I got the air fryer, the first thing I did was I went out and bought some wings. And I made a really awesome, well-done, crispy wing, just the way I like it. Now, you can make wings not as crispy if you like, but I like them really crispy. So today, with the Super Bowl and my new air fryer, I thought it'd be a good week to make some chicken wings.
Boy, some chicken wings would really hit the spot.
So we're gonna make 4 different styles of wings. We're gonna make a buffalo wing, we're gonna make a teriyaki, cilantro, and lime wing, we're going to make a garlic and parmesan wing, and we're gonna make a honey barbecue wing.
Tell me what wingy.
So I'm ready to make some wings. Are you ready to make some wings? Here we go. Print these and all our recipes on yaeat.tv. This air fryer has 3 parts: the air fryer base, the basket, and the basket base. After rinsing the chicken wings in salt water and pat drying, we're going to break down the chicken wing. First, we're going to remove the chicken wing tip, and we'll save that for stock, and then we're just going to cut the wings between the joints. Once you locate the joints, you'll be able to easily break down the wing. We are going to repeat this process depending on the size of your air fryer. You're going to cut about 6 to 8 wings. It's going to give you 12 to 16 portions. You do not want to overcrowd the basket, and we'll get those started. They're going to take 25 minutes to cook. Now, most air fryers should have a pre-setting, so I just click on chicken, and the chicken setting goes to 400 degrees for 25 minutes. You hit start, and that's it. Come back a little bit, we'll check on them. Now, because I'm making a lot of batches, I have to prepare more chicken, so while that chicken is cooking, I am breaking down the rest of the wings. Once you have finished breaking down the chicken, you want to clean and sanitize your board so you don't cross-contaminate. This is the chicken about halfway through. As you can see, as the chicken cooks, it starts to reduce in size, leaving more area for the air to travel through and crisp the chicken. So while your wings are cooking, we still have more prep to do. So first we're going to break down some carrots. So we'll peel some carrots and we're just going to cut them into some sticks. We're going to save the ends and we're going to put them with the chicken wing tips to make stock. So you can't have chicken wings without celery. So we're going to break down some celery as well, and we'll take the ends as well, and we'll put that with the carrot ends and the chicken wing tips for some stock that we can make and freeze. After cutting your celery and carrot sticks, you're going to rinse them thoroughly in water, and then we're going to fill the container with water and ice. You can put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and this will really crisp up the celery and carrots. Okay, we have 3 minutes left. Let's check the wings. Make sure you remove the basket from the basket base, give it a good shake, and then we'll finish cooking. You can see how crispy they are, and after the 25-minute mark, you can cook them up to 30 or 35 minutes, depending on how well done you like them. This is at the 25-minute mark. Now, if you're just making one batch, you can put these in a bowl and start seasoning right now, but because I'm making so many batches, I'm going to put them on a sheet pan, and I'm going to put them in the oven at 160 degrees while I make the rest of the wings. Meanwhile, I have more prep to do. I just chopped up some cilantro and some fresh parsley. I'm not always the best, but I try to keep my work area clean. I also put a wet towel under the board to keep it steady. So as we continue our prep for our garlic parmesan wings, I need to dice up some garlic very finely. We'll just place that on the side for now. I'm just slicing a little green onion to top on our teriyaki wings. For our garlic parmesan wings, we're going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to a saute pan, and we're going to brown the garlic, and then we're going to remove it from the pan and let it cool down. Okay, got another batch of wings coming out. And more wings going in. Again, we're going to keep these at 160 degrees in the oven. Okay, once all my wings are cooked, now I can start seasoning them. I just picked up a teriyaki glaze. I'm going to add that to the chicken wings with some fresh chopped cilantro and a quarter wedge of fresh lime juice. We'll add a little salt to that as well if needed, and we'll mix that well. These are a little dry, so I'm going to add a little more teriyaki glaze. Now, you don't have to do this, but because I had an infusion of Mexican and Japanese food, I thought some avocado would go well with the wings. Cut until you feel the pit. Just wrap your knife in a circle around the avocado and twist. You'll see a giant pit. You'll scoop out the avocado from the shell, and we're just going to cut that into some slices and place them on the plate. So for presentation, we'll squirt a little of the teriyaki glaze on the plate. We'll add the avocado in the corners, or you could just go with the celery and carrots. And we'll place the chicken in the center. We'll top it with some sesame seed, a little more teriyaki glaze on top, blue cheese dressing. We'll add a little green onion or scallion on the top, and a little cilantro to the blue cheese. And you're done. Teriyaki, cilantro, and lime air-fried chicken wings. You eat? You want to eat? Make this recipe. It's delicious. Oh, where you going? We're not done yet. We got 3 more recipes. So again, if you're making a lot of wings, you're just going to keep them in the oven. We'll grab the wings as we need them. You can also pre-cook all your wings ahead of time and refrigerate them and then heat them up in the air fryer when you're ready. Now here's the easy part. I just pick up some of my favorite buffalo wing sauce and I just toss it in a bowl. Sometimes I'll add a little butter or a little vinegar. You can adjust the spice level to your liking by adding hot sauce. Just give it a good toss and you can serve it with celery and carrots and blue cheese or your favorite dip. Don't these look so good? The air fryer really does a wonderful job with the wings. That was an easy recipe, wasn't it? Air fried buffalo style chicken wings. Okay, we're going to get started on the garlic parmesan. We already made the garlic, so it's going to be really quick. We just have to add about a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of parsley, and a tablespoon of pecorino romano cheese, a touch of the extra virgin olive oil, some salt and pepper, and you're done. I like to serve this with the ranch dressing, a little parsley on top, and you're done. Air fried garlic parmesan chicken wings. Okay, here's the last batch and another easy recipe. We're just going to take those wings. We're going to add our favorite barbecue sauce. I add a little honey. And a little smoked paprika. A little bit goes a long way, so add a little at a time. Mix well and give it a taste. And you're done. Honey barbecue air fried chicken wings. If you do not own an air fryer, you can bake the wings at 425 degrees for 35 minutes on a rack. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our really simple wing recipes. I didn't do too much. All I really did was air fry them. Enjoy the Super Bowl and go. I don't care. I was kind of rooting for the underdog. I was either rooting for the Bills or Cleveland. Either way, we'll see you next week and stay tuned for a quick short. Have a good week.
I'm sorry, so sorry.
Richard, do I have a mark on my face? It really hurts.
Nope, nothing. I thought I hit you on the shoulder.
My shoulder doesn't hurt very much, but my face does. Right here. Not here or here so much, but right here.
Nope. Ship shape.
Jesus, what happened to your face?
I knew it. See, Richard. I'll have chicken wings.
Kitchen's closed until dinner. Just got cold stuff.
Tell me what wingy.
Warning on it, just so you know. But I love da bomb. I love the vernacular. This is gonna be terrible. I know it. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Awful, by the way. Right?
Yeah.
Terrible. I literally didn't even hear your question. It's so hot. Say that again.